more expert demonstration on it. The other thing I like to show before we go, I didn't want to do a whole video. I showed my daughter earlier how to do a shadow stick, and we're going to walk over here. I'm going to show you a shadow stick, how you can basically get direction with it, and how you can do it rather quickly. You take a 4-foot stick, at least 4-foot stick, and the reason why I use a 4-foot stick is you get a more accurate measurement. As you can see here, this was our first measurement, and you can put a stick or a stone or whatever. This is the first one we got earlier today. And then 12 minutes later, this was where our second stick measurement was. So now, with a shadow stick, wherever your first shadow cast in the northern hemisphere is going to be towards the west. So this was going to be a westernly. The second one, 12 minutes later, tells you that's easterly. So you can just draw a line or lay a stick like I did, and you know that this way is west and this way is east. You can also tell a little bit of time by it. I put this stick further in because we're getting close to noon. It was shorter, and eventually it'll move its way back out as it goes easterly, as this, because the sun rotates east to west. Everybody knows that. So the shadow is cast in the northern hemisphere in that direction. So you know now that you have a westerly here, an easterly here, and you know south is this direction. Another thing you can do to get direction is with your wristwatch. You can take the hour hand, which is a small one. I had to explain that to my daughters because they're all into digital technology now. Take a small hand, point it up to the sun. Don't look at the sun. Point it up to the sun, and then wherever the 12 o'clock is on your watch, we're at 1 o'clock right now, so it doesn't leave much variance. You basically do an imaginary line between there, hold it up to the sun, look at the sun, we're right there. So south is that direction basically, and that's basically coordinates with what we've got here with our west and east line. So it kind of gives you a direction during the day that you can do, and you can do it within 12 minutes with a shadow by using at least a 4-foot stick. You can see it doesn't have to be straight. The straighter it is, the more accurate it'll be, the quicker it'll be. But there's a lot rattling around in this brain about survival stuff. So anyway, when I get up to Idaho, if it's a clear night or the stars are out, and I can show you some of the ways to navigate by stars. I can show you how during the autumn months you can use Orion the Hunter, Mintaka, to do east to west also. By following it travels east to west sky during the autumn months. Also, I can show you how to find the North Pole, Polaris, by using Cassiopeia and the Big Dipper, because they rotate counterclockwise around the North Star, Polaris, and it helps you get direction that way at night using the stars. Well, that's my video. German Shepherd's going crazy in the house. I tried to rush through this. I hope you learned something from it. If not, put it at the bottom and I'll redo it if I have to, or re-explain some stuff for you. And I hope that helps you. Thank you.